As long as you set up everything correctly, it is very safe to run 4x100 to 5x114.3 wheel adapters. These wheel adapters are designed to help with any wheel fitment problems, even if you get aftermarket wheels with a non-compatible wheel bolt pattern. You do not have to give them up. In fact, wheel adapters can fix it pretty simple. By installing wheel adapters, you can change your 4x100 to 5x114.3. These new wheels will be available on your car in no time. For decades, a lot of people use wheel adapters for years with no problems. Any wheel bolt pattern adapter will likely come with some form of instruction. You will place a wheel adapter on a hub and then use a supplied wheel nut to secure your new wheels on the adapter with OEM wheel nut. Two sets of wheel nuts fasten the adapters and wheels on your cars. So long as you torque all the wheel nuts to correct torque specifications, there will be no issues. High-quality forged wheel adapters won't disappoint you. Many factors determine the quality of wheel adapters, such as the manufacturing process, the material, and the testing that the adapters will push through. If you're looking for trusted wheel adapters, these factors are useful to help you narrow down the range. All in all, it is recommended to buy from reputable brand manufacturers, from the most basic zeros to accurate drawing and mapping. BONOSS indulges on meticulous height and strength requirements. After the premium forging process, the strength is greatly improved. Both forged 60626 and 0726 aluminum are available. Your wheel adapters benefit from high precision. So far, BONOSS has maintained a tight tolerance at 0.02 mm. The more precise the contact face is, the easier they can sit first up against the vehicle hub and the wheel, the less chance of vibration. When it comes to the safety wheel adapters, always choose the general brand set. Certainly, reputable manufacturers make mass wheel adapters. A general brand typically becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is slightly regulated, and factories only use processes that has been proven to be safe. The safety wheel adapters go through many safety tests before leaving factories, such as impact resistance, tensile strength, and hardness. These performance tests are intended to make your wheel adapters safer. BONOSS wheel adapters commonly express performance well data. Besides, the BONOSS wheel adapters complete package are supplied with over 73 SGS and PUV authoritative certification reports. In addition, general BONOSS wheel adapters come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.